What's up, dude? This is Near from the Bricks Dude, and today we have a little diamond just for you Lego science fiction lovers. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel just right here, or actually just right there, doesn't matter, just somewhere below. This is super important for us as content creators, so we'll keep doing more cool content just for you. So if you ever watched the movie Oblivion of Tom Cruise, which we think is one of the most best ever science fiction movies, then I think you're gonna like it. Alright?
Attention!
Oblivion is a great science fiction film from 2013 by Tom Cruise that features an apocalyptic world with robotic drones. And we decided to build 2 MOCs of those special drones. This is what you see here. This is from the film, and this is what we made. We made 2 models. The left one looks more similar to the original one from the film, while the right one, which is now the left one, is actually an enhanced one which has some firepower. The only thing that we didn't put there are the 2 engines, 2 little engines in the back, which you see in the film. So now you can see them mounted on those transparent bricks, just to show you how they look while they're flying. So these are drones, and drones fly. Let's take a closer look. This looked like the original drone. You can see that from several angles. It's surrounded with 4 dishes from each side. Also has 2 guns, 2 eyes, those trans-red eyes. In the back, we decided to add a detachable fuel cell, which can be attached to that tile with a single stud in the middle. Now this is how the top dish connects to the main body. This is how the side dishes are connected to the main body, and the bottom dish. We had to use that axis in order to have a round 2-on-2 plate inverted to hold that in place. So now you're looking at the enhanced one. It has different colors. We also used a light brick, a fuel cell, and 2 spring shooters. So this is how the fuel cell goes out. You can see that we used a technical pin and a technical brick in order to attach them one to another. And this is the light brick. It gives more flavor to this drone, where you can see a real red light, just like in the real film, even though the red light in the real film comes from the big eye. Now this is what you do if you like to shoot. You just load it with 2 spring rockets. Each one is on the side. You just push and it goes out. So take a look how we attach the top dish to that technical plate. Also, this is what we did with the side dishes. So totally 3 dishes. There is no dish in the bottom like the original drone. But this is how the face looks like. So these are a kind of 2 special modified plates, which are one opposed to another, and also a round 2-on-2 tile, which actually connects them. And that's it. There you go. Thank you for watching this video. This is Near from the Bricks Dude, signing out.